Hello, my name is Daniel Rojas, a student of Industrial Engineer. Next, I will describe the travel plan de Cartagena. We will pick you and the Plaza Los Libertadores in Duitama-Tugu, the airport in Bogotá. We will travel with Avianca Airlines to Cartagena. Once in Cartagena, you will be accommodated in the hotel, and from there you will have lunch at 1 p.m. You will enjoy a well on the beach, and you will have the night party so you can enjoy it. We will to Barú Island to spend a nice afternoon and enjoy a delicious mojarra native on the region, and Nick you will have a relaxing massage and blood therapy session to you can rest. Friday you will have a Friday so can go on the visit in the street and monuments this beautiful city has to offer. You will be happy to be at the worship on the National Navy, share with and heroes on the homeland, have lunch with the and return on the hotel. We're ready to return on the homes after having enjoyed a wild desert vacation with us. And for which it's a pleasure to be part on the your offer or unforgettable trips and give to those days on relaxation that you and for your family deserve to live. Thank you for your attention.